everybody. Welcome to the Leah and Noel Design Co. I am Leah and I am the owner and artist here at Leah and Noel Design Co. And tonight I am glazing this vanity. Yes, I painted something white. And I thought I'd bring you along for the process. I'm using, this is Van Dyke Brown Glaze from Dixie Belle. This is called Salt Water. Okay, so this is from Dixie Belle. It's very close to, I would say, Fluff. So this is Salt Water. And that's the new Silk line, which I'm really excited about. So the paint is actually really smooth and you don't have to top coat it, which is super duper awesome. So what I have is a paintbrush, baby wipes, and my jar of glaze that I've had for a long time. So I'm just taking my paintbrush and I'm putting this in like this. So this right here, you can see it's just brush it on, and then I'm gonna take my baby wipe and I'm gonna wipe it right off. And so if you were using, if I had used, I do this all the time with regular chalk paint too, because the silk line is only gonna come in really like kind of some neutrally lighter farmhouse colors. But if I'm doing this with chalk paint, I would just give it a coat of clear coat. So I'm just gonna kind of run my brush around one more time until I like it. So when you're glazing, you'll go through about 1 million baby wipes. I prefer Pampers. Sometimes I buy these at Aldi. These work just fine too, but I like to buy the sensitive. I like to buy the sensitive kind there. Oh, that lighting's better. I like to use the sensitive ones because they have less lint. You could get the same exact effect with brown wax as well. So if you have brown wax, you'll get the same effect. I prefer to use glaze because it dries quicker. Okay, so let's glaze up in here. This still needs a little bit of touch up, which I will do. I might have to get my fluff out because I think I'm gonna actually run out. I let it sit too long over here, so now I gotta scrub. I should have worked in smaller sections, but I will just go ahead and touch this up on the spots where, you know, just to make it look neat, because I just want this to fall. But if you're using glaze, work in small sections. Don't do what I just did and work in try to like work in larger sections and then come back, because you just make your job harder like I did. Go through with an artist brush, really in this section here and this one here, just to clean it up. I want it to be clean looking. But I'm super excited for this one. So this one has a mirror. All right, you guys. I am off. I will talk to you later. Thanks for joining me, and have a good evening. Bye-bye.